Welcome back to VCD Tinkerbench. I'm your host, Drew. You can see we have the infamous ID holder and the ID that we sell on Imperial Tech Shop. I've been asked how to put the ID into the holder, and I'd be more than happy to show you guys. I've been meaning to make a video, I just haven't had the chance to, but here you go. It's already pre-peeled, ready to go, and unfortunately, you're not going to get a choice as far as what colors show up here. It's going to be completely at random. We do try to make things sort of streamlined where it's quick for us to have a turnaround for you guys. So there is no choice on color, but this is 3D printed as you can see, but it is reinforced, so it can take some of the bend and stresses that you're going to have to put this into to get the ID in. Now the cool part is the way that it was designed is this slides right into place and is held in between the channels, so you can see the channels are right there, so the ID sits in between the channel. Now the way to get it in there is you want to get this notch in. Let's get into the channel, up on the top, up on the bottom, and then you're going to try to, you may have to open this up a bit, and that's where I'm saying that there's a little bit of bending that you're going to have to do. It's not going to be too much, but you're going to want to kind of wiggle it a little bit. And once this piece makes it over into here and this makes it up into there, the rest is literally just a little small wiggle and it snaps into place. So hold on, let's try to get that last piece down there, and this piece up here, stuck. There we go. So, boom, there you go. Awesome. So that is how you put on the ID holder onto the ID. You can wear it like this. You can carry it around with you in the pocket. It is now your pass. It is your ID. You can pretend like you're going to scan it or run some kind of code. I think it looks really cool. I wish I had a light up version. I will be working on something hopefully in the future, but for right now, this is the next evolution of the ID. I do have something in the works that I will be sharing on our social media. So if you check out our social media, follow us at Imperial_Tech_Shop on Instagram, and you'll see the new IDs for 2022 that will be coming out that we've been working on. But this one's going to a good home. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this answers a lot of the questions that I've been receiving about how to put the ID in. Have a good one, guys.